This is Cyndy G, and in this video, we're assembling the treasure chest box card. So I have laid out and identified all of my pieces. I've also done all the inking that I wanted to do on my pieces. You want to start with the two pieces that make up the box of your card and put these together. I like to use the table to make sure that I have this level. You're just lining this up right up to the score line. Okay. And then we're going to put the panel pieces on. Okay. And then these two pieces for the side. I'm not sure why I made one for the back and make sure that it would fit. Yeah, I'm not going to put this one on the back. I don't know why I made that. And instead I'm going to put my piece for my sentiment there. Okay, so put your two side pieces on. Need to take a quick look. Okay. So here on the front, you're going to add the clasp for the lock. And again, I just inked around the edges of these pieces. And then you're going to center this right on the front. Okay, and then our pearl string is going to hang down. we are. And this is for our sentiment on the back. Yeah, see, I don't know why. Maybe if you wanted to do it like that, but I don't think I like that. I think I like it just plain. So I'm not going to use that piece. If you want to use that panel piece for the back, but I like this better. Okay, so now that is the base. And I'm going to pull in this piece that has just the coins, and you have 2 ovals to add. To make them all look like individual coins. Okay, so that is the front layer. This crown is the second layer. I think I'm going to pop this layer with a little bit of foam tape. Okay, and again, you've got some extra. We're just going to put them there and there. Take a look here. Okay. Okay, and you're going to line these up right to the bottom, okay? Just like that. And then just glue this into place. Hold your tabs. Oh, excuse me. I'm sorry. So that's 2 layers done. Now we're going to pull in our last layer. I'm going to work on my gems first. You're going to take just a minute and line those up so that you get it going in the right direction. So it's just like this. You've got one big one to go here. your next size is there, and then there. Okay. Okay. And now the other side. Okay, now let's put the sword together. And I'm going to put the sword on first because I want it to be behind all the other jewels and coins. And then I'm going to work here on okay, put these on like this. Start with this one. Okay. I think I'm going to put my jewels on first. I think I want my coins to go in front of them. Okay, and then you've got these curves right here. And that's how these are going to line up. You can start with the ones on the side and then it'll just fall right into place, okay? And that's how you want your coins to go. And then we're just going to glue this onto the base. There we are. Fold your tabs down and then, oh, I know where that goes now. I'm glad I didn't glue that on. I hope you didn't glue it on. It goes right here. I think you'll see it on the PDF if you buy this file out of my shop. Should have flipped it over and looked at it sooner. Okay. So you just want to give it a slight border, make it as equal as you can around. Makes sense now. Okay, there we are. Now, this is your back layer, so you're going to have your tabs out straight. Put glue on your tab. Push this right back into that back corner. Stand it up. Do your next layer. And put glue on the tab. Put that in here. Close it up. And now your front layer. Lay that in front of that layer. Bummer. I made a mess with some of the glue. Okay, now you're going to take these three, put glue on the tabs. I like to hold them apart so that if I do go over the edge, I'm not getting glue, on the layer behind. And then this is the side we're going to glue these to. I'm just making sure everybody is lined up. It's a little bit thick through here from all of our decorations on each layer. I'm going to fold it both ways. And then put glue here on this last tab and close it up. Now you can really see the thickness in here. So it's another reason for folding it both ways. Help you accommodate for that. It does not look nice. You've got a nice full treasure chest of gold, jewels, and your sword. Thank you for joining me.